Gamer and it's my brother's Little Boy Power Gamer. And today you are watching Little Power Gamer Family! And today we're making a bird feeder.
High five down low to the side, let's go! You're my best friend, my best friend. And friends are family. You're my best friend.
We've got string, we got toilet paper, we got peanut butter, we got seeds. So we are going to put peanut butter on this. I've got some peanut butter on already, so we're going to spread it now. There. I got loads on. We are spreading peanut butter, spreading peanut butter, spreading peanut butter. Can you pause it? Got a two. Get it done. So, please like and subscribe. If you do, you'll join the gang. Aww. I think Little Boy Power Game is eating more than he is spreading. I'm spreading right now. I saw him eating. Did you guys see it? Yeah. That boy in peanut butter. So now they are covered. Time for the seed rolling. Do we have some more? Roll it, roll it, roll it. Roll it, 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 roll it. I know I'll just eat the leftovers. So we are now rolling. Weighing it on the top. I'm weighing it on the top, Emily. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, please like and subscribe when we're crafting. I'm lifting. Go down there, press the like button, the subscribe button, and you'll join our gamer gang. So we have made them. They are complete here. So now we're going to hook them up.
Let's go, because it's raining. Come jump up. Hey, where's Emily's? Can Emily reach?
No.
Ready?
Can't reach. Hooray! It's currently raining. We have to go. Run! Run get inside. Thank you for watching. Thank you. See you all next time. Bye. Thank you for watching Little Power Gamer Family.
High five down low to the side, let's go! You're my best friend, my best friend. And friends are family. You're my